Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 11 is consecutive even integers. It says two numbers are consecutive even integers. 6 more than 5 times the smaller integer equals 4 less than 3 times the larger integer. Find the integers. Well, all even numbers are 2 spaces apart on the number line. And so I have my 2 numbers that I'm going to need to define variables for. The first number, or first integer, is going to be x, just like we did in the last few problems. The second number, this time since they're even integers and they're all 2 spaces apart, will be x plus 2. And now I have to write the equation. So in number 10, some people use tricks to find the answer to that problem, and they work for that particular type of problem. But if you don't have variables defined, you're not going to be able to write equations for these more difficult problems. So it says 6 more than 5 times the smaller integer equals 4 less than 3 times the larger integer. As long as I have my integers defined, I can go through my translation process and write my equation. So here's the word equals. That's my equal sign. The left side expression is 6 more than 5 times the smaller integer. So here's more than, which means addition, and I want 5 times the smaller integer. So that would be 5x plus 6. The right side expression says 4 less than 3 times the larger integer. So here's the word than. Even though 4 is written in words first, it will come second in the expression, and I want 3 times the larger. So that's going to be 3 times, and the larger one is represented as x plus 2. So my equation would say 5x plus 6 equals 3 times x plus 2 minus 4. And now I can solve. The left side expression is simplified. The right side expression has a distributive property. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 4. I have one more step to simplify the left side expression. 6 minus 4 is 2, so that would be 3x plus 2. Now I'm going to gather my variables on one side and my numbers on the other. I'll subtract 3x from both sides to keep my variable positive. 5x minus 3x is 2x plus 6 equals 3x minus 3x is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Now I'm down to a 2-step. Subtract 6 from both sides and divide by 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 plus 2x is 2x. And 2 minus 6 is negative 4. Divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1x, and negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So I know my first integer is negative 2. My second integer will be negative 2 for x plus 2, and that will be 0. So my first integer is negative 2, and my second integer is 0.